enjoy your holiday, but for now you must stay seated and buckled up until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. When you do get up to go, please make sure you've got your phone, passport, keys and other valuables. Anything left behind will be handed to our ground team here in Tenerife. Please take time when you open the lockers, as companies may move during the flight. Just so you know, you're not allowed to smoke all day on the way to the terminal or in the terminal itself. Our friendly customer helpers are already waiting, you can't miss them, they're wearing that famous red uniform and of course, a quick welcome smile. You can now use your phone, but larger devices and power banks must be stayed switched off. If you're on a Jet2 holiday, your arrival transfer information is now available in our app, but we will also send it by SMS. Once again, thank you for your stay. Do have a lovely holiday.